Sugar.
Yes, man.
Now it smells like spice.
I want to
Jamaica Good Life was said. Remember say something smelling real good. Something smelling real good. It's smelling like sugar. Are they all that?
Yeah, fish French fry.
And the pepper night with the garlic.
We don't know. It was. We don't know.
What I look for?
Some garlic.
Okay.
I like when chicken raw when you know.
That's it, man. They say, yeah, chef.
Like when you eat in the
They say Jamaica Good Life.
Put it in this, man.
I ain't gone.
And you put it in here.
Alright, we talk about it.
What I done?
A good team, you know. 2 hours a good team, you know. No really need a restaurant for yourself. Me tell you, sir. Something smelling real good. Mad money. Lexus and Beamer. What's something you regret in your life? Or if you could have your life over, what would you do differently?
Go back to school.
Go back to school?
Let's go from 12.
12?
12 years old. Not get no degree, not at all. Just can't be a real percent. Good for my hand, bad. Beer, coke. Oh my God. I mean, I have less kids.
Less kids. But you did have fun when we processor.
I like good life.
You like good life?
Yes.
Nice restaurant, going to events, nice
like
dress.
Business.
Do you have a tall, beautiful dress?
Oh my God, I tell you about it. Yeah, man. Let's school pretty early, man. Pretty early.
You must be very beautiful when you're young.
Depend on me every day. Every day I consider about it. Every day. All that fire rocket. Ready for run now. We're ready.
Yeah, you saying both. You're ready. You're ready for run. You're ready for run.
Ready for run. What's that God?
You're ready for run.
Ready for run. Yeah.
We have to live for today because we can't live for tomorrow.
What's that doing?
Man,
what's that easy with me?
I know.
Make it coconut milk cook, brother.
Okay. No, I just want to remember you.
Yeah, man. One thing we cook this time.
No, rush, you know.
No, this one more water. That's why I made it ask you if no more milk did leave.
No.
Your juice is sitting too poor.
A poverty juice at
Waste milk. Come on, it's all gone in here. Open it back. Wait, not up here.
Chef.
Yes, man.
Something smelling.
One of the copy and one pot. So you don't use the copy and make dry rice. More pound of rice, like 2 pound, 3 pound. Use this major rice and give it with the out.
That cooking enough for that.
Put in rice.
How much you must throw like?
Put 3 in.
3 like? How much money? 1, 2, 3, 4. Money on that. 6. It's got 7. 7 and 2, 9. Roughly 9 money. 3 cup of rice in our
5.
4 in there.
Put 4.
And throw 1 more cup of water in that pot.
Alright.
How long you two been
And
friends?
little bit more peas.
Alright.
Little bit more salt. Taste it before you put the salt in. Yeah man, you want more peas in there.
Peas? Peas? At this time?
Yes. You make it peas mash up. You cook already, man. You have peas in the fridge, you can cook one more rice.
Oh, so I'm going to show more fresh peas in the hot peas?
No man, you cook already. Cook already.
Butter in there?
Yeah, butter in there.
Yeah.
You rub the salt butter.
Pipe off? Pipe off? Or the oil? And the oil up?
Yeah man, make it oil. Make it pepper and the oil. Burn out the rawness out of the oil. This a Paltan. Next week Sunday, then I tell me that river. As we go so me chuck off before me start cook. I may have to get one car if you carry the. So listen what I don't know. We have to buy things in front overnight. Season them front overnight. See? Paltan car can carry your chef and Kitana. Who again the money car? And my son. I want to buy a car right man. Yeah. We have planned the trip decent to come down. We team up the boy them out the bike stand. So a bike we riding with and we riding with the pack. I know 200 they go, working they go. No man, don't with me there, me a different road. See, don't with me there, I don't roll with careless people. I don't roll with people who don't know manners. See? Your son in a car? That we talk about, we have to have a car. You go enjoy, go around in river.
What time I plan for next river?
You don't know rolling river? You can't come here and not know rolling river.
Hear about it.
You go rolling river. A river you have to go down top
You don't want to enter?
sea water.
You don't want to enter? So now you're funny, not you? Never going to
no, you know, son away because we born near and I seen me a big woman. Get too much with me, no. So here we are going now. We don't plan the trip for next week, Sunday. We don't have pork, we don't have chicken. We don't have no fish. We don't jerky chicken and we don't jerky pork and cook rice and peas.
What time plan for left around there?
We can't cook, we can't get up and cook rice.
What time plan for left around there?
Anytime when you man drink and bathe and things. So you can't take one wow, kitchen smell nice. You remind me of my house and over.
Not take some now.
Wow.
So why not just cooking in the morning and we leave with the food and go eat the food? So we're not going to bring too much with we. Cook it at your yard and then make we leave with the food. Because we want to
get up early.
We bring the rum, we'll relax and drink and warm up the food. I'll kill out this.
You're going to leave relax, you're going to
much cup? 3, 4.
We're not for left around that early.
Too much.
To the amount of 4.
No, man, that's alright, man. And then it's money, no?
We have a pot we can cook that. Yeah man, you better have no cook before we go river man. That way, no stress. You just sit down and we warm up the food.
No, if you want me up, because you already have time man, you don't cook.
Yeah.
Yeah man, unless trouble.
Because when you reach there, you're Lord cold.
So we don't know bother with no jerk chicken and no jerk pork.
No, just cook some food and I'm going to
Can chop up some brown sugar chicken or curry chicken.
Roast some breadfruit.
Rice and peas.
Get some more breadfruit and
I
roast
work on it. I have to go take Monday day of the rest after me there. And if we...
I already tell them man it's up to Saturday. I already tell them man it's up to Saturday.
No, Dan, I know this rice, you know. I just station in bill. A long time I don't know.
So why not try pick out?
Because sometimes grab in a hit
Yeah.
and Dan.
Dan, what is Dan?
The rice,
the rice itself when we're mashing up the court, not shell out.
Oh.
That will go on.
I still have the shell on it. This is Jamaica Good Life. You don't have to have $1 million to have a good life. Just have good friends.
You don't have no money to have a good life.
What you say? Good friends. But you never charge up again.
This one, we want to take out, you know what
You never plug in.
You plug it in, you plug in the next one down.
We plug in the one and you never plug in good.
So you re-plug it in?
I'm going to re-plug it in now. But it run till it cut off. Something smelling real good.
Ah, the kitchen smell good.
Yeah man. Hey, combination of you and chef is a dangerous thing, you know.
I tell you, I want to really good. It was me and
Him good man. Two of working together, that's dangerous.
That's why I help in the restaurant up so
Him by himself, him look miserable.
He not confident in himself.
Him confident, you know.
Confident, man, you don't know anything.
I just I know how to walk. Him not like walk.
He not like cook.
No, him not like cook for people when I pay him immediately.
the one in it. Nick, the one in it.
Nick, Nicky nail funny, and that's how we tell you love with dirty money. I don't need any more time for to want money.
When the dirty boy cook and him not get paid, him feel away. Him not like cook.
You think you easy like that?
Him not like cook for free
You
now.
can see a few months rolling in that trouble.
Him not like cook for
So
free.
you know everything what they got on.
Yeah man, me see.
Sometimes you chat so sitting on the reel and you just see somebody just kick back. And they say, oh you know, and I say, me tell Nick say, in mine, he farm but that's why he get robbed.
Yeah.
You see they wonder, oh me know. Me know man.
Yeah man.
So maybe get big.
Still get it on
I saw you away.
Bob Marley.
Still get it on it.
I get
Yeah, worry about Ketan, because Ketan tell you straight to you. If me not eat no food, I you him. And you. I say you all day.
And the kid, you know, Kitana.
Ketan.
If you when come for me, I sleep, man.
Sleep, well, you can't sleep when you're at the start of the show. You can't sleep when you're at the start of the show.
I'm tired, man. I know how much money we miss our road all today.
You miss a road. Hey,
How much money we make last night?
and every day money day, you know, some day I rest
Aye.
money can't run
Never
your
done
life.
money, brother.
Money can't run
Yeah, I feel have money, but you know run it out.
Exactly.
What me no
If
make
you
money
can't sit down and drink rum with me, and drink.
You follow that? You know what me make last night? We go around this party to one of 9 chicken. We come in back with 1 and Kitan and you have 1 side, that 1.5, that are 3,000 now. 2,000 for 1 chicken. And my pork pay me 20,000. 2 day money 60,000 me lick down.
Don't want to tell nobody business, they cut this out. Because man will come for you for hear them money there.
You can't get some money. You put it in my bank before me left in the grill. No work with nothing. Chumps, so what we buy back.
The bank manager love you. When him see her come and say, Pokey,
Me not go and bank unless me I want 40, 50,000 or 100,000 to put them. I go put them 2,000 now. Me can't manage them there chumps here, they run money them there. So bank with money there. Yes, me smell the garlic, brother. Garlic socket there, I'm not going to come in the house.
You want to go in your room.
Yes,
Pokey are the real thing, you know. Pokey are the real thing.
yeah, you can't get it.
Pokey are the realest, you know.
So you think so?
See her there.
You know, let's put the
So we're not going without your son. Ready for the flour?
French fries and chicken, yeah. Why not this?
But yeah, and look at seasoning.
When I make it all salt out,
No.
I put seasoning in that.
You know, see this, you see this, so now make it salt, you know. That's the mean sitting
Now
there.
what that? The egg?
Yeah.
What you beat it up with?
With milk.
With the coconut milk?
Yeah.
Boy, you love the cook, me love the coconut milk.
No, not the coconut milk, man. This is milk, man. Cow milk, man.
Cow milk.
Yeah.
Man, the cow don't agree what you're tired.
If I use it, okay, first.
Dipping in there.
Right, turn the face the other way.
Oh,
Turn the face the other way, yeah, thank you.
that chicken. Oh, that chicken, they look like it has no black pepper on it.
I put black pepper and a good face.
Well, at least Jamaica Good Life in a year. Put it in the pocket! Yes, alright. Something smelling real good. Something smelling real nice. You put it in the chicken. And you put it in the rice. Sing it with me. Something smelling real good. Something smelling real nice. When you put it in the chicken. And you put it in the rice. Blows that's got big tune. Jamaica Good Life, we say. What I thought about? What you say? What you say?
Where's the good fish?
Oh. Sing it to me, Pokey. Something smelling real good. Something smelling real nice. When you put it in the chicken and you put it in the rice. Big tune, you know. No one of them online, I go sing it. Respect, Pokey. Thank you for hanging out with us and showing the people them love
Yes.
and everything. When you come on the grill, Jamaica Montego Bay, call Randy. Wanna pay me if you go on the Pokey number, cause that one is too precious to let go. Me now let him
You
go.
want to taste this one when it's finished?
Good people. Me can't give them good people them so easy. See how good people they are. This is Nick. If you don't want to know Nick, you have to pay me. I see another good man, I call him Trusty. When you now come to Jamaica, have this good time without pay feet. Cause you know why? Something smelling real good. Something smelling real nice. When you put it in the chicken, you put it in the rice.
Yeah man, 1 week man, I'm putting and jerky go back down the side of the road.